Hello everybody and welcome back to my beautiful sunny garden. As you can see, I can't see a thing because the sun is shining in my face and it's kind of burning me, but it's kind of nice. But anyway, I'm greeting you today with my, let's say, morning coffee, or at least the first coffee of the day. And we have some exciting stuff to do today, which is planting a tree. And let me explain. I bought some willow branches, as a decoration, but one of them started to grow roots. So I've read on the web that you are just supposed to stick it in the ground and it either grows or not, which seems pretty straightforward. So that's what we're gonna do today, and some just major cleaning around the garden. And I'm also waiting for one package, so we're gonna see if it arrives or not, and depending on that, there's gonna be something exciting going. But before I start doing anything, I just wanted to show you the first signs of actual spring. Look at that. Everything is starting to grow. Okay, I had to move to a little bit more of a shady place because I started feeling quite faint in the sun. And now we're gonna take one of these cuties and plant it. So I have a plant pot and I have this little thing which is supposed to help the plant to grow some good strong roots, and as usual I cannot open it because it's children proof, and it's working way too well. Hey, I managed, and it went absolutely everywhere. But this is how it looks like. So it's a grey powder, and you're supposed to put it in here, like in the place you want to plant your new plant, and basically proceed as you would usually proceed. And the thing is, you have to put quite a lot of water for it to work. So let's do this. Okay, and the next thing to do is to cut hydrangea a bit. As you can see, it's dried up completely, but you have to say that even dried up, it looks super pretty. But anyway, in order for it to regrow beautifully, I gotta cut it quite a lot. So let's do that. Also, a little update on garlic. Look how well it's growing. I'm so happy. There we go. As you can see, I gathered some fallen leaves and placed them here in the raised bed, so it could serve as another layer for drainage, I think. And And yeah, I'm gonna put soil on top of that. And I think it's a good thing to do, at least that's what, what I've read in some books. So yeah. As you can probably tell, I'm testing a lot of different methods of gardening this year. Because I don't really have much experience, but hey, I have to learn somehow, right? Today, I really wanted to put together a compost bin, because right now I have like a compost pile, as you can see, like there. And I don't really like how it looks, so I ordered like a wooden box style compost bin, but it hasn't arrived yet, and I'm pretty sad about it, so it will probably arrive tomorrow, and I think I'll see you then. Okay, hello and welcome back. As you can see, it's a little bit later, like one day later, and it's closer to the evening now, but my package finally arrived. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting together a compost bin, and I'm very happy about it, so let's do that. Okay, a few splinters later I realized that I should probably wear gloves. Okay, so I built a thing, and then I realized that there were actually instructions attached. But nevertheless, as you can see behind me, the structure is there, and I could probably like put the wood closer to each other. But the problem is, if I tried to push it down a little bit more, they were starting to break. So, nah. Anyway, I'm very proud of myself, and it looks quite nice. Although I think for now it's a little bit too tall, like it looks quite big, or maybe I'm just not used to it being here. But anyway, it looks much better than just like a compost pile on the ground. So yeah, success! I wanted to show you one more thing. As you can see, I tried creating a little bit of a greenhouse thingy. These are actually doors from a cupboard that was taken away, but they didn't want to take the glass. So I used the glass to create sort of a greenhouse, and I'm not sure if it's gonna work in any way, but hey, it's there. And with that, thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye!